Good morning students. Today we will see some problem related to the topic current electricity. Look at first problem. The length of conducting wire is 50 centimeter and its radius is 0.50 mm. Okay. If its resistance is 30 ohm, what is the resistivity of its material? Okay. So we have to find out the resistivity of material. Resistivity is the, we can see there are studied, it is the term which give us that exact value of resistance present in per unit length of given material. Okay, so in that much given dimensions of material, what is the resistivity, that we have to find out. First of all, we have to write all the given data. In given what? Length is given. Length of wire is how much? 50 centimeter. But now we know we have to use MKS system generally for solving problems. So in MKS, length we have to take in meter. It's given in centimeter, then we convert it in meter. So here 50 centimeter, so 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, that will be the conversion into the meter of 50 centimeter. Then radius 0.5 mm. So now this mm again we have to convert into the meter. So this 0.5 mm will be in meter equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, so it will be equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So these are the just here decimal adjustment they take. Okay, and we are already studied in previous classes how this decimal points we have to arrange. Then resistance 30 ohm. So now we know formula of resistivity. Okay, resistivity which is denoted by this sign rho, which is given by capital R, capital A divided by L, where R is the resistance of material, A is the area of that material, and L is length of the given material. So here area is given by pi r square. Okay, area is what? Pi r square. So look at rho will be equal to r into pi r square by L. So instead of this A, we put value of pi r square. Okay, so look at now rho, that is the resistivity, will be equal to r pi r square divided by L. We know value of R, resistance is how much? 30 ohm. So we take here 30. Okay, then pi, we know value of pi, that is the 314. Okay, so we will take value of this pi. Now R square, look at value of R is how much? 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So we have to take R square, so 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 and its square divided by L. L is how much? L 50 into 10 raised to minus 2. So divided by 50 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, so such a way that we have to just put all the values in this formula. We know formula of resistivity is RA divided by L, and area is given by pi r square. Okay, so look at here, instead of this A, area, we have to put pi r square, because wire we know it is circular shape, that is why we will take area of circle, pi r square. So that is why we have to take this pi r square. Instead of this A, we have to put pi r square. Now we put all the values. Okay, we have to square it. 5 square 25 and 10 raised to 4 square, it is a 10 raised to 4 into 2, that is a 10 raised to minus 8. Okay, so it will be 10 raised to minus 8. Other terms remain as it is. Okay, then if you calculate all the things carefully, you calculate or solve this term, then we will get answer, that is the 47.1 into 10 raised to minus 6, and unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So 47.1 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter, or Again we take one decimal adjustment, that is the 4.71 into 10 raised to minus 5 ohm meter. Okay, so such a way that it is the resistivity of this conducting wire. Okay, so again, what is important thing in it? First of all, we write all given terms, but in that we have to see all the terms should be generally try to solve every problem in MKS system. So if length is given in centimeter, that we have to convert in meter. Okay, that first thing. Okay, then it is given in mm, then again we have to convert in meter. Okay, so these conversions are very important. Look at, centimeter can be converted into meter by multiplying -2, and mm can be converted into meter by multiplying -3. Okay, so these things also you have to remember. Again, the formula is important. So these are the steps I already told you. First of all, we write all the given data, then formula, then we have to fill up values in formula, and then we write answer with unit. Then we will get full marks. Okay, so here one adjustment is there only, that is the area. We have to take, that is the pi r square. Pi has a standard value of 3.14, but this r is given here, that is the value into 10 raised to minus 4, and we have to take its square, and by simply solving it we will easily find out answer of this problem. Okay, so it is easy, try to solve it. Other example like this. Okay, now next problem we have to see, that is the determine the resistance of copper wire having a length of 1 kilometer and diameter of 0.5 mm. Okay, so length of wire is 1 kilometer and its diameter is 0.5 mm. Then we have to calculate its resistance. So now up to last point we calculate resistivity. Now we have to calculate resistance, that is the capital R. Okay, so how that now we have to see. First of all, write all the given, and in that given resistivity of copper wire is given, that is the 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter is the resistivity of copper wire. Okay, then length of copper wire, again how much length of copper wire is 1 kilometer. We know 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 1000 meter means what? 10 raised to 3 meter. So we know all things we have to convert into MKS system. Okay, that we very well know. So 1 kilometer we convert into the meters. So now what about the diameter? Look at, diameter of wire is 0.5 mm. Okay, and we convert mm into meter by multiplying 10 raised to minus 3. So diameter will be 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Now radius is not given there. Okay, but we know if r is a radius, then we know in case of resistivity we need area. Okay, in formula of resistivity area is there, so we have to think about the area here. If r is the diameter of that 1 kilometer length wire, then its area will be what? Pi r square. But we know radius is not given, but we know diameter is given here, and that one thing also we know, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That things also we know. So in case of r, that is the radius, we know what? Diameter. So we put diameter divided by 2, that is nothing but the our radius. So in this formula we have to make some change. Okay, what? In case of r we have to put d by 2. Okay, so look at here, area will be equal to pi r square. So area will be equal to pi into r what? D by 2 bracket square, and we have value of diameter, that is the 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So here pi 2 raised to 2 square here, d by 2 square, so d by 4. So we take 4 outside from here, so it will be pi by 4 into this d, diameter is how much? 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 and its square. Okay, so area will be pi by 4 into 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket square is the area of that given wire. Okay, so now if we solve this, we know value of pi, it is a 3.14. If we put value of 3.14 and square it, so we will get final answer of area that will be equal to 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Okay, look at how we area find out. That is the important point over here. What we know, formula of area is pi r square, but in this whole problem, what that radius is not given. So what given? Diameter is given. So we can use diameter to find out radius. Okay, we know value of the formula of area is pi r square. We know that radius is important, but here not given. So in case of r, we put d by 2. Okay, so a is equal to pi into d by 2 bracket square. So pi by 4 into 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket square. So area will be 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. So this adjustment we have to write here. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. We take in this formula. So our area will be 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. So now we know formula of resistivity. Okay, we studied formula of resistivity. What? Formula of resistivity is Ra divided by L. Okay, but now we have to calculate what? Determine the resistance, means we have to calculate this R. So now we have to rearrange this equation for this equation R. So here it is in divide, so it will be multiply here. So we have to get only R is here. Okay, so that R will be equal to this rho into L divided by A. So R is equal to rho into L divided by A is the formula. Okay, this formula we have to use here. Okay, so now look at, then we will get resistance of that wire. So look at here, resistivity is given now. Resistivity of copper wire is given 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. So 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Then length. Length is how much? 10 raised to 3 meter. So 10 raised to 3 meter. And the area, we are calculate here area 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Okay, so by calculating all, we will get answer. Resistance of that wire will be 85 ohm. Okay, so such a way that we have to solve this problem. Always to calculate resistivity is not asked. Sometimes calculate length may be asked, sometimes calculate area may be asked. So which term is given and which we have to find out, that we have to logically think by just observing formula. Okay, so here only one adjustment initially we take. Radius is not given, but we know radius is diameter by 2. So we take radius is equal to diameter by 2. So pi r square, that is the d by 2 bracket square. So first we calculate area, that is the 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Then resistance is given by rho L by A. Okay, rho is the resistivity, L is the length of wire, and A is the area of wire. So we now here resistivity is given. After that length is given and area is actually not given there. So we calculate that by using this diameter. When area is a pi r square, r is not, so d by 2. That is why we use here diameter by 2. Okay, so such a way that we have to solve problem regarding to resistivity. Okay, because chance may be asked to solve problem on this formula, because r calculate may be asked, A may be asked, rho may be asked, or L may be asked. The possibilities whatever may be, but we still know this formula, and if L is asked, then just we have to rearrange formula and make this equation for length. If resistivity asked, then we know formula. If resistance asked, then this formula. Okay, so just we have to rearrange the formula and calculate the term which asked in the exam. Okay, so simple problem, try to solve it. If you have any problem, then ask me. Okay, remaining topic we will see in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.